Hi friends, today we will travel to another wonderful location in the northeast, which is Shiv Sagar. Shiv Sagar is the district headquarters of Shiv Sagar district of Assam, and it is named after a big lake which is situated in the middle of the city, and it was built by the Ahom king Shivasingha. So the city takes its name from the big lake, which is called Shiv Sagar, and which was created by the Ahom king Shiv Singha. So it is amply clear to you that Shiv Sagar was the capital of the Ahom kings, and they have created wonderful structures, monuments here, which people can visit and see. Those are steeped in history, and they convey how the Ahom kings planned the city, planned the things, planned the events, and in such a scientific manner the monuments are built. And Shiv Sagar or Shiv Dol, how it is called there, the big lake. On the banks of the big lake, there is a big Shiva temple, which is called Shiva Dol, and it is the tallest Shiva temple. And along with this, there is Vishnu Dol and Devi Dol also. So we can say that Shiv Sagar is the city of temples and monuments. So these three temples are there: Shiv Dol, Vishnu Dol, and Devi Dol. Along with that, several monuments are there, prominent among whom are Ranghar, Talatalghar, and Karenghar. So now, friends, we will go over and see those beautiful monuments, temples, and enjoy the visit to Shiv Sagar. So, over to Shiv Sagar, friends. This is the Shiv Sagar Lake or Shiv Sagar Pukhuri, friends, a 200-year-old man-made tank. The city of Shiv Sagar gets its name from the big lake, Shiv Sagar, which is situated in the heart of the city. The lake was commissioned by the Ahom king Shiv Singha. Shiv Sagar was the capital of the former rulers, the Ahoms. It has had a major impact in the culture. It is a town of decorated monuments and temples, and few architectural marvels at Shiv Sagar are the Talatalghar, Ranghar, and the Karenghar. Besides the temples, Shiva Dol, Vishnu Dol, and the Devi Dol. So formerly this place was known as Ranghar, Rangpur rather, and was the capital of the Ahom kingdom from 1699 to 1788. This is the famous Shiv Dol, friends, Shiv temple. Beside Shiv temple or Shiv Dol, there is Vishnu Dol and Devi Dol also. These stand by the Shiv Sagar Pukhuri, and Shiva Dol is the tallest Shiva temple in India. It is dedicated to the Hindu god Lord Shiva. You can see the lit temple building. As I said, it is the tallest Shiva temple in India, dedicated to Lord Shiva, and people from far and wide come to have a holy darshan of Lord Shiva here. It is revered by the Hindus. And besides the Shiv Dol, Vishnu Dol, and Devi Dol, friends, the monuments of the Ahom kingdom are also nearby. So now we will see the first monument. This is the Ranghar, friends. Ranghar is a two-story building which was the Royal Sports Pavilion, from which the royal kings and nobles witnessed games like buffalo fights and other sports at the Rupahi Pathar. Pathar meaning field in Assamese, especially during Rangali Bihu festival in the Ahom capital Rangpur. On the roof of the Ranghar is a design of an Ahom royal longboat. So on the roof, if you see, it has a design of a royal longboat, royal Ahom longboat, and the Ranghar to Assam is an entertainment house. It is situated very close to the Gargaon Palace. It has a royal origin. It is said that the kings of the Ahom dynasty used to watch different sports from here. This pavilion is oval in shape. The building was constructed during the reign of Swargdev Pramatta Singha in 1746. The Ranghar is said to be the oldest amphitheatre in Asia. That is the distinction. During the early days, the Ranghar was mainly used for watching elephant fights. There is a wonderful ground in front of the Ranghar, and probably it was the venue for the different sports that the royal personalities used to watch from the pavilion. A very steep flight of steps take you to the higher points of the pavilion. We are about to see those steep flight of stairs. Right now we are seeing it from the front. Now we come to the other angles. You can see the beautiful ground in front of the Ranghar where the sports were played. Elephant fight, buffalo fight, all those games were played here. It has plush lawns presently, and beautiful flowers have blossomed in the lawns, giving a very beautiful, pleasant look to the entire place. A visit is very much desirable to this beautiful place. Please keep your cameras ready. The structure is very photogenic along with its lawns. And now we are approaching the view from the side, friends. This is view from the side. A very steep flight of steps here it is seen. This takes you to the higher points of the pavilion. These were supposedly the places from where the kings and other royal dignitaries used to enjoy the sports competitions which were played out in the front lawns, which just you have seen. So this is the flight of stairs taking you to the top of Ranghar, where the royalties sat down and watched the sports like bullfight, elephant fight, played out in the lawns. This is a first-hand account, friends. This is all visited by me and all photographs have been taken by me. So this gives you the authentic feel of the place. So here I am standing just where the stairs or the steps have commenced, waiting to go upstairs to see the pavilion, royal pavilion, where the royalties sat down and watched the sports. The mortar used is of a different kind available during those days. Unlike present cement structures. And near to it is another monument, friends, Talatal Ghar. This is the Talatal Ghar. It was initially built as an army base. Talatal Ghar is famous for housing two secret tunnels. It was said to be a stronghold of Ahoms during wars. The Rangpur Palace is the underground structure within the Talatal Ghar. Its sibling, the Karang Ghar, making up the 4 floors above ground level. Different legends of old accompany the Talatal Ghar. It is a popular tourist spot. Visitors nowadays are allowed to scout through the ground floor, the first floor, and what remains of the second and third floors of the Talatal Ghar. The floors of the Talatal Ghar below the ground have been sealed off, as visitors tended to get lost within its hazy and mazy structure, which was never heard of. So, third structure is here, Karangarh Royal Palace, also known as the Gargaon Palace. It is located in Gargaon, 15 kilometers from Shivsagar, Assam. Of all the Ahom ruins, the Karangarh is one of the grandest. It is an example of Ahom architecture. The palace structures were made of wood and stone. In 1751, the brick wall was constructed, which was about 5 kilometers in length. After seeing all these monuments, friends, we come back to the Shivsagar Lake or Shivsagar Pukri and prepare to go back with beautiful memories. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shekhar's Education and Travel channel. Like and share the video and press the bell button also. So thank you. Bye bye.